Good evening, dear students. Today I'd like to tell you about lecture requirements. Lecture, it is a very important task for you, first of all, because it is very nice practice of your lecturing, and if you will work as a teachers in the universities, you will conduct lectures. The second reason, if you will make such a task as a lecture on our practical lessons, you will pass my exam without any questions. First of all, what is it lecture? From Latin is reading. It's an oral, systematic and consistent presentation of material on any problem, method, subject. And nowadays, lecture it is the main method of giving material to our students. The structure of the lecture it is quite always the same. First of all, it is introduction which defines the topic, plan and purpose of the lecture. The presentation of the main part of the lecture which implements the topic scientific content. The number of questions in a lecture is usually 2 or 4. I say to you to make lecture only of one question. Presentation requirements. We always have a title page with a topic. Then we have content, questions, title, the main point of the presentation, list of sources, the final slide. For example, you can write there, thank you for your attention, or you can repeat the first slide with the topic. I asked you to make a presentation with only one question. It can be about from 10 to 15 slides and for 10 or 15 minutes. For example, it is a title page where we can have a topic of our lecture and a little picture. You can use little video and pictures without any text too. When you use text, please use not only text but pictures and titles too. If you need to say more text than you have on slide, you can use notes under your slide. You can write here more information which you want to say. You can use questions to energize your audience too. Questions for lecture. You can choose only one of these questions. Here you see questions on the topic of education. But you can choose a topic on your educational thematic. For example, you are from biology faculty, you can choose one of your biology topics. You are from law faculty, you can use on your professional topic too, or one of these topics.